Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean when I say 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, no need to beat around the bush. Today was a very, very brutal day. Summarizing today in and of itself, because if you look at the past several days, and yeah, the trend is hanging in there, but today in and of itself can be summarized in just trading jargon as a gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap if you're maybe new? Well, on Friday, the price closed right there. This morning, the price opened up right there, hence the gap and trap, or hence the gap up, excuse me. And then after the price opened up, the price moved higher and higher and higher. Some poor souls bought right there, and then there's where the trap parts comes into play. It was all bears the remainder of the day, and so much so that even the price has now fallen down below this green line here at 373. Now that level will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the videos from last week. But last week I talked over and over again about how 373 was that area of resistance. And then on Friday, the price finally was able to break above that level of resistance, which at that point, you would want to see it act as support. And the price came down here and it tried acting as support, but not only has the price broken down below the 373 mark, but you look right there at the purple line, which on my chart is denoting the 50-period moving average, and that just compounds really all the bearishness that was occurring today. Sure, the gap and trap wasn't a good sign, but then when the price pulls all the way back here and then still continues to break those levels of support, things not off to a good start at all. Now, none of this means that the price can never, turn itself around or anything like that. I'm just saying, if you were to, from a bullish side of things, right up, how you would like to see a week start off, this would not be how you would do it. So that all leads us to our first update, which is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closable, they tend to act as resistance. So 373 back to being that key level of resistance. The other level you'll want to keep an eye on if the price does bounce back upwards and get up above it would be right there at that pink line there, the 200-period moving average, and that's currently valued at $3.77. But one hurdle at a time, and that first key level that needs to be broken, again, right there at 373. What about levels of support now? Next key overarching level to keep an eye on are going to be down there at the 365 mark. And just in case this downwards movement continues, should probably map out one more area of support. So after that, next key overarching level would be down there right around 355. So 365, 355, next couple areas of support. But yeah, very rough way to start off the week. The good news is there's still 4 days left, so we'll see if the price can try to turn things around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.